Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing how to make this cute little seal called Mamegoma in a little fishbowl tutorial. And this is inspired by this image right here. So first I'm going to use this little fishbowl that I got from Miniature Sweets, and I really love the size of this fishbowl. I think it's perfect. Next we're going to make the little rock that the little seal stands on, so I'm going to pinch it into just like a mound shape. Next we're going to make the seal itself, so I'm taking some white clay and I'm pinching it into a teardrop shape. Then I'm going to flatten out the face slightly. Then I'm going to separate the little end of the teardrop into two little legs. And I'm going to pinch it into like fins. Next we're going to drape that over the rock, having the legs kind of hanging off the rock, like so. Next, for the little front fins, we're just gonna roll some white clay into a teardrop shape and cut off the end on a slant and blend that onto the body. Next, we're gonna give it a little light blue oval for the snout area, then some pink blush, along with some dot eyes, and using thin little snakes of black clay we're going to make a little W shape for the mouth, and then a little dot on top for the nose. And I saw in the image that there looks like there's some kind of ice cube in there, so I got some translucent clay along with a little bit of blue and I mixed it together and cut it into little cubes. For the water, we're going to add some UV resin along with some light blue pigment. Mix it together. And pour that into the fishbowl. Next, we're going to take our base clay pieces, and here is my little Mamegoma. And we're going to place the little seal into our light blue resin. And before we cure, I'm going to throw in two little ice cubes and let that cure under the UV lamp. And here's the final product. Now if I could redo this, I would make the rock a little bit taller so more of the seal's body can be sticking out from the water and not just the head. But overall, I enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. It's kind of like a flashback to old YouTube in the clay community where we used to make characters only. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.